Hello, welcome. Come on in. This is our room at the JW Marriott in Grand Rapids, Michigan. So as soon as you walk in, there's this hallway here, and it's really nice because the floors looks like bamboo floors. So these are really nice. So as soon as you come in, there's a huge closet here, and standard robes with an ironing board and an iron, some hangers. I guess it's something you would just put your stuff on. I'm not really too sure. And let's see what's going on over here. So this is like the nice mini bar area, coffee maker. Nice little box here where it's coffee and tea bags, a little biscuit, which is nice. I think I'll have this later. And some water, ice machine, and right over here is the safe, which is pretty cool. I don't have so much valuable stuff, but if I did, I'll put it in here. And standard fridge. Put all your stuff in there. And let's walk over to the bathroom. The bathroom is pretty nice. Standard toilet. Let me turn the lights are on already.
Yeah, that corner is a bit dark.
Standard toilet. Single sink. All the amenities you need. Towels. Oh, the shower looks really nice.
Sorry.
It's a pretty big shower. If I can fit, my head's not touching. It's pretty good. And it's a pretty big size shower. And the bathtub. I don't think you need me to go in the bathtub, but it's a standard bathtub. And so once you get into the bedroom, there's carpet, which is fine. Nice work area here, so a lot of outlets here. So on here, this is all, I'm not too sure what this stuff is.
Like AV.
Like AV stuff, I guess, if you want to plug in, I don't know, your camcorder.
Projector.
Your projector,
Do
your
a presentation in here.
You gotta get your camcorder and get the tape and do all this stuff here. TV, standard. This is, I guess, this lets you know that they cleaned the remote or something like that. And has a list of all the channels, which is good, so you don't have to keep guessing and guessing. And they have Netflix on here, which is good, because if you have a subscription, I guess you put your username and password in there and you can watch all your shows, which is really good. And the view, let's take a look. Pretty nice. Really nice. So I've got a water view. I believe this is the downtown area. We just got here, I'm not too sure. It's a little bit of a sculpture here, which is nice. And over here, outlets. Outlets on this side of the bed, which is really good. Reading lamp, reading light, which adjusts a bit.
And there's outlets on both sides, right?
Yeah, both sides, which is good. Because a lot of places don't have it on both sides, which is, I don't know why. So both sides, outlets. Yeah. And this nice little reading chair, I guess, or couch. It's pretty comfortable.
Fainting couch.
Yeah, sure. Got a light here, and yeah, this view is really, really nice. Okay, so now we're gonna go to the other room. Oh, there's magazines here, by the way. I don't know if you wanna take a look at these things. And this is the second room. So,
Hey, girls.
Beds here. Nice artwork here. nice. Yeah. Same nice view. Open these up. I'm not sure what these little dots are. I don't know if these are like little insects or just pollen or something. I'm not too sure.
They look like bugs.
They do, right?
But they're on the outside, don't worry.
Yeah. Same setup here. 2 big comfortable beds. They don't have to fight over. Nice and comfortable. Let's go into the bathroom. Alright, the bathroom's identical.
Same setup.
Yeah, same setup. Pretty nice. Got these nice glasses. Nice. They're frosty glasses. So fancy. Let's see. So this will be the entrance to their room. Same nice bamboo floors. Same carpet. There's one robe in here, which is fine. Girls are not going to use these robes, they're too big for them. And same setup here. Same huge safe. Sounds nice. And yep, that's the setup here. The beds are comfortable. That's it. Thanks for watching.